What did you say?
Pose.
What did you say about my hands?
Disgusting.
What? What's disgusting?
It's bantut.
Disgusting? My hands are disgusting?
Yes.
Why?
Because I don't love you now.
Why?
Only daddy and Tita Mona and Tita Mike and Tita Rachel and
Why?
the baby.
Why?
Because I don't love you now.
Why you don't love me anymore?
Because I don't love you now.
Why nga?
Because I follow you.
Why?
Because I would rather close your eyes.
Because of my hands?
Yes, because
Because of my hands?
yes.
You don't love me anymore? I'll bugbog you.
Boo-boo you.
I'll bugbog you with kiss and hugs.